Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove wires in Photoshop Elements. First, make sure you have a very important option turned on. Go to Edit menu. Go to Preferences, General. Make sure Zoom with scroll wheel selected. Press OK. Now, go to Expert mode. If you are not there already. In Expert mode, click Lasso Selection Tool. In the Tool options, select Polygonal Lasso Tool. In the Tool settings, make sure the feather is set to 0 pixels, so that the tool can have full effect. Use your mouse wheel to zoom closer. Use spacebar and mouse click and drag to move the picture. Now from this point I am going to use my tablet, but you can use your mouse as well. Start by clicking at the beginning of wire. Then move your mouse and click. Use spacebar, click and drag to shift the image. Continue clicking. And make sure you are not getting too close to the wire. Now very important. When you hover over your first point, you should see a little O. When you see it, just click. That should close your selection. For some reason on Windows, the selection disappears. But I know it's there. I just need to use my scroll wheel. Now, go to the Edit menu. Then choose Fill Selection. Make sure Content Aware is selected and opacity is 100%. Now press Enter. Then you should see the wire is gone. Don't worry about these artifacts. Now I am going to fix other wires. By using the same technique. Now instead of clicking on the Edit menu you can use shortcut. Press Alt plus E. Press L. Press Enter. Ctrl+D, to deselect. I am going to continue removing other wires. Now, here comes the difficult part. This time you should make selection as close as possible, but not too close so that you're not touching the wire. Otherwise you will get more artifacts. I think I could have done a better job here, but for the sake of this tutorial, it worked. And you see it did a pretty good job. It created some blurring here. But overall you can see that the image is clear from wires. You see here are some artifacts because the selection wasn't close enough. So it is my recommendation that zoom in closer to make a better selection. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.